Guys. I think I might have screwed up. All right, I did it again. I just couldn't help myself. What do we got? So it's a 1997 Kawasaki ZX-7, and guys, I've always loved these things. I don't know why. I think basically like it started a long time ago, like when I was like 10, and I used to watch a lot of superbike racing and American superbike racing and Canadian superbike racing, and I had a KX60, so of course I wanted green. I liked green, and all the cool superbike racers, man, they had green bike. They had the ZX7, so I had to love them. It was ingrained in me at an early age. So, you know, we liked the Scott Russell and Chandler and Don Moreau. You know, I love the history on the ZX7. So I've always loved just the shape, you know. And so when this one came up for, you know, basically $1,000, you know, that's the magic number for me. I had to have it. Now it's rough. It's real rough, and we're gonna get into all of that. But let's just have a quick gaze. First thing, there's some crust inside there, so we're gonna need to line the tank. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it. I think, you know, I'm all over the map. I either want to make it like perfect, or I don't, or just, you know, stitch it together and ride it. But we're all over the map here. But we do have to take care of the tank. This has been butchered. The ignition switch failed for the previous owner. He's got all the keys and stuff, but the ignition switch failed, so they took the top clamp off. I've still got that, but we've got a new switch for it. And, you know, obviously, with any of these things, pro street racing, that's just, yeah, you get it. With any of these old ones, man, a lot of them have just been absolutely beat. This one, I'm sure, has seen hell. You know, we've got switch that's broken. All of this stuff is just, ugh. So, all manner of noises up there. Oh my God. So we've got just a cheap aftermarket set of rear sets. It's crusty. I don't know what all the bearings and stuff are like on it, but I'm guessing it's all trash. Get rid of those. That is atrocious. And of course, someone has been in here and just butchered everything back together. So we need body work if we're gonna, you know, make it at least good. You know, not perfect, but even just good, we'd need body work. So I don't know what we're gonna do there, but that's not good. But I like the purple, man. It's full 90s. It's, you know, it's coming back. We need the solo cowl. This is license plate light. I mean, this is all good stuff. You know, it's, that's fine, you know. There's not much left on that. Got a old school Yosh pipe, and it's been all wrapped up because probably it's rusty as hell under there. And well, I mean, if you wrap it, nobody can see it. Oh, I didn't even look. Oh, I think it's got oil in it. That's good. It's got something like, I don't know, I think it's got like 60,000 kilometers on it or something. 65, look at that, right there. has been around the block. But it's, you know when you like, it's like a combination of like, I'm like 50% absolutely in love and 50% feel disgusted and like I'm gonna throw up. Yeah, I get, sometimes that's the way it be. We gotta get rid of these. And, we got work to do. I don't even know what's under here. Should we rip it like completely apart? We should dig into it a little bit. Yeah, I'm excited now. Should probably have something to put my fasteners in. Is that bad? That weird noise? Should I be concerned? Sloppy? Alright. I'm running out of space to like put stuff too. I got no room in this garage. I got no room in the shed. Got no room in the other shed. That's connected still. Hang on a sec. Guys, you gotta see what's going on over here. Huh. You see that? It's just... I don't even know. Have we made a mistake here? How are we gonna get that? We need like an easy out. It looks like an Allen key, but it's all rounded out. Jam something. I guess I might just take the bracket off. Even the bracket. Look at this bracket. One of them is a Phillips, and the other is a 10 mil. Uh-huh. My stuff holder over. Yeah. Bracket. Done. Well, what's in there now? That's an awfully long screw. Oh, that holds everything there too. I haven't found any self-tappers yet, so that's a good sign. I know it's coming though. You can just, it's like clockwork. I just know that it's coming. Alright, one panel, that's fine. What do you think of that, dog? Alright, guys, I don't know where I'm gonna put any of this stuff. Bottom. We got a fastener in there. And on the other side. Yeah. There's a, oh, you can see it. Can't really see it. There's a nut in there holding it all together. That's one way to do it. Do you think this is one of those things where I take it all apart and then like never ever put it back together? Yep. Hi, dog. How does this come apart? What am I doing here? First things first, that one's gonna come on. How is this held on by? What even? Have me help? Oh, found an 8 mil now. Guys, I need the whole toolbox over here. All right, come back. Oh. Just a cover. Clearly that needs to be carbon. Ran out of phone storage. All right, up and at them. There's just, just a lot of stuff. Should we do the other one? I guess we should do the other one. Oh, this one's the 10 mil. Oh man, it's like constant surprises. Just non-stop fun. Guys, I'm like completely out of storage. Here, look at this. I got stuff packed in here. You know how it goes. Better some garage space than no garage space. Oh, this one's back to an 8mm. I wonder if any of the batteries that are on this thing are like OEM. Gotta be careful not to scratch it. Something fell. Oh, I think we're good. We got connectors for signal lights. They're wired right in there. Oh, yeah, we'll just pull them. That's fine. That's fine. All right. Oh my gosh. Front fairing. Yeah. Jam that in your Tahoe. All right, fairing's off. One mess. At least like most of the parts look like they're still there. But we'll just set that there. You know, it doesn't look like it's been messed with too much. It was on the road. Looks like the last time it was inspected was 2018. Yeah. There we go. On the pile. It's fine. And it's dirty. I mean, it's pretty dirty in there. I'm not gonna lie. We'll take the exhaust off, clean that up. Unless we find something cool. You know, it's definitely, it's had some hard miles. Lots of them. That's a piece of plastic down there. Just don't look over there. It's fine. Let's get that ugly fender off. I wonder if it's straight. We don't know. I don't know if it runs. I never actually started it. I don't know if it runs or if it's straight or if the forks are bent or if it's got all the gears. We don't know any of that. I don't know anybody who's had it running. So it's this is gonna be a bit of an adventure. Well, I cleaned up the shop a bit. Let's see. Got the tank off. Working on the top triple and stuff. Just doing some cleaning here. I got the wrong size tire on it. I guess these are supposed to have a 190, which is like unheard of for the mid 90s. That a rear wheel would be a 6-inch wide wheel with a 190 on it. Those are massive. And let's, you know, I got some crust on the header. I can probably just clean that up until I find something. I'd like to find an old stainless system. You know, the muffler looks all right. It's kind of period correct, but I'd like to find a good stainless system for that. And it's crazy, like, you know, with these kind of mid-90s bikes, you know, you're used to seeing, you know, a certain type of technology on this stuff. And, you know, there's a lot of, like, they're pretty high tech. I've never really messed with these too much, but they're pretty high tech for the time. I mean, you got adjustable forks, and I think even the ride height is adjustable on the rear shock. Those are just Chinese aftermarket setups, but I mean, a lot of the technology is kind of pretty intense for the time. You got a 3-piston caliper, or a 6-piston caliper, sorry, and well, 2 of them. Which is pretty cool. Ram air setup. I mean, I like the analog style gauges. That's just cool. The tank inside is I don't know if you can see it. It's a little crusty, but I think we'll throw a cream kit on it. So it's retro. I need to do a little bit of a polish on the tank and get rid of that, but man, I'm pretty pumped. The more I mess with it, the more excited I get. Don't like these. We're gonna put some stock levers back on it because those just don't fit in. And you know, I'm pumped. We got a lot of work to do with that thing. And I'll show you on one of them. We got a rear gear in there now. But I got too many projects now, guys. You know how it goes. I couldn't pass this up, though. It's just the way it goes. And I got to get race bikes ready because we're going to the racetrack here in, geez, like probably a couple weeks. Maybe less time than that now, which, you know, it's hard to go inside and work when it's this nice out. But what do you guys think about the ZX-7? Should we do some more videos on it and make it run again? It's going to be a little bit of work, but what do you guys think? Let me know. Thanks for watching.